Very good morning to all of you dear students. So as you know that due to the government guideline, so our 10th class offline classes will be closed for some days. So now we are going to begin our online classes. So I hope you all are good. So as you know that in the last class I completed exercise 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 of chapter first. As you know that we started chapter first. Number systems or irrational numbers, and we completed 3 exercises, and now the one more last exercise 1.4 is remaining. So now we are going to begin exercise 1.4. okay, so just listen to me carefully, and then if you are having doubt, then you can ask. Okay, so the first thing is about exercise 1.4. first thing is decimal. What is decimal? Decimal means when we will give the divide two numbers, then the divide is not completely divisible. The first number is not completely divisible by the second number. Then we have to put just a point, that is called decimal. Okay, जब किसी नंबर में किसी सेकंड नंबर का डिवाइड देते हैं, then जब डिवाइड नहीं जाता है, then we can put their point. After that point is called decimal. So as you know that in 9th class you learned the type of the decimal, types of decimal. So there are two types, terminating decimal, and the second thing is non-terminating decimal. There are one more type of the non-terminating decimal, but now just now we are only know that two types. First one, the terminating decimal, and the second one, non-terminating decimal. So anyone can tell me what is terminating decimal or what is non-terminating decimal? Terminating means if we make the divide of any two number, then divide goes after decimal, divide goes completely, then it's called terminating decimal. अगर divide देने के बाद decimal के बाद में completely divide जाता है, that is called terminating decimal. Suppose example is there, then 7 divided by 2, then the result is 3 times 6, 1. After decimal is there, and 0 5 times. So divide go after the decimal. After the decimal, the divide goes completely. So it's called terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. If some other number, we can see 7 again divided by 3, then 3 to the 6, then 1. After that point 0, 3 to the 9, 1 more 0, 3 to the 9. Divide is not goes completely. If the divide is not goes completely, that is called non-terminating decimal. Non-terminating decimal. As you know that terminating decimal means if we give the divide one number by the second number, if the after the decimal the divide goes completely, how much plus when we will make the divide, then we know that is called terminating decimal. And the second thing is non-terminating decimal. And if we will make the divide, then after the decimal divide is not goes complete, so it is called non-terminating decimal. Okay, so there are two types of non-terminating decimal. One, as you know that one is non-terminating repeating, and the second one is non-terminating non-repeating. So the first thing, 2.333. This type of decimal is called non-terminating repeating, and only different digits 4, 5 like this, then is called non-terminating non-repeating. Okay, this is the matter of class 9. But here only you remember one thing, just identify without make actual divide. आपको divide किए बगैर ये बताना है कि कौन सा decimal terminating है and कौन सा decimal non-terminating. Okay, how we will find out? So this one method is there. You just remember only one thing. If in the denominator there are 3 cases: first case, second case, and third case. Okay, if in the denominator only 2 power n is some natural number. If 5 power n, and if both are there, 2 and 5, both m and n, 2 power n, 5 power n, and both are there, 2 power m and n, 2 power n, 5 power n. If these 3 conditions are there, if these 3 conditions are there, that is called the terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. Then in the exam there are two types of क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट वन वी हैव टू जस्ट फाइंड आउट कि इसमें से कौन सा टर्मिनेटिंग है एंड विच आर नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग. ओके, एंड द सेकंड वन टर्मिनेटिंग है बट हाउ मेनी प्लेस, आफ्टर कितने प्लेस बाद ये टर्मिनेटिंग होगा. सो देयर आर ओनली 3 क्वेश्चंस इन योर बुक. सो फर्स्ट वन में ये है कि आपको ये देख के बताना है कौन सा टर्मिनेटिंग है और कौन सा नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग है. फॉर दिस यू जस्ट रिमेंबर ओनली दिस 3. अगर इन तीनों में से कोई एक है देन इज कॉल्ड टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल. ओके, वो क्या होगा, टर्मिनेटिंग होगा. अब कितने प्लेस बाद होगा, दैट इज द अदर मेथड. ओके, फर्स्ट वन वी विल फाइंड आउट ओनली दैट व्हिच वन इज टर्मिनेटिंग एंड व्हिच वन इज नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग. ओके, सो जस्ट सी इन द डिनोमिनेटर इफ 2 power m, m means for any natural number, 5 power m or 2 power m into 5 power, in this form, इनमें से कोई भी एक फॉर्म है तो वो क्या होगा, टर्मिनेटिंग. ओके, इनके अलावा नेक्स्ट एनी नंबर है 3, 7, 9 व्हाटएवर, तो क्या होगा, नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग. ओके, एंड वन मोर इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, फर्स्ट यू जस्ट चेंज इन द सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म. पहले आप उसको कट करके सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर देते. ओके, सो जस्ट सी द एग्जांपल इन आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Okay, so let me start our first question. So the first question of exercise 11.4 is without actual performing the long division. Without actual performing the long division मतलब long division दिए बगैर state whether the following rational numbers are terminating expression or non terminating decimal expression. मतलब आपको डिवाइड दिए बगैर ये बताना है कि कौन सा टर्मिनेटिंग है और कौन सा नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग है. So I told you just remember only one thing. First one that 2 power m, second one 5 power m, and the third one 2 power m and 5 power m both. अगर इनमें से कोई भी एक टर्म है that is terminating, otherwise not terminating. Okay, so the first one 13 by 3, 1, 2, 5. First to make the factor of 3, 1, 2, 5, 3, 1, 2 and 5, then 5 times, 5, 6 times, after that 2 times, again 5, 5 times 125, then 5, 25, then 5, 5, and 1 and 1. It means we can write 13 by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and 5 power 5. 5 power 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 power 5 we can write. Just you match from this. The second one term is there, 5 power n and 5 power 5. So this is terminating. This is terminating decimal. First one is the terminating decimal. So this is the way to find out the terminating or non-terminating. Second one 17 by 8, and 17 as you noted 8, 2 multiply 2, it means 2 power 3. So first term is there, so this is also terminating. So this is the way to find out terminating or non-terminating. Two more simple. Next one 64 by 455. First make the factor of 455. 5 times 9. After that 1. After that 7, 13, 13, 1. It means 5, 7 and 13. I told you just match from these 3 things. Okay. So 5 power 5 is there, but 17 and 13 unnecessary extra terms are there. Okay. So this is, I told you, this is non-terminating. Like by seeing you can find out which one is terminating or which one is non-terminating. The next one 15 by 160, like this only you can do. Next 29 by 343. 29 by 343 means 7 power 3. I told you if 5 power n or 2 power n and 5 power n and 2 power both are there, that is this is also non-terminating. After that here 2 power 3 and 5 power 2, this last term is there, so this is also terminating. Okay, next one 2 power 2 is there, 5 power 7 is there, but 7 power 5 is extra term is there. One more extra term 7 power 5 is there, so this is also non-terminating. Okay, 6 by 15. First I told you, first you just make in the simplest form. पहले आपको simplest form में cut करना है. After that इनकी simplest form नहीं होती और ये यहाँ पे हो रही है, यहाँ पे भी नहीं होती है, तो यहाँ पे आप कर सकते हैं simplest form. Okay, तो इसको भी कर सकते हैं simplest form में. Then you can 5 3 जा 15 and after that 5 5 जा 15, 5 2 जा 10, 320. So So now we can here also first we will make the simplest form. 3 to the 6 and 3 5 the 15. Then 2 by 5. 2 by 5. This is the second term. So this is also terminating. This is also terminating. 5 is there. Denominator 5 is there. 5 power n. So this is also terminating. Next you can just make this simplest form. 5 7 the and 5 10 the. So 7 by 10. It means 7 by 2 into 5. Both the second term is, third term is there. So this is also terminating. So this is the way to find out the terminating decimal or non-terminating decimal. Okay. So the last one 77 again cut 11 table and 7 table and 7 30. After that 11 by being the factor of 30. Then 32 15 3 5 5. It means 2 into 3 into 5. 3 extra term is there from this. So this is also non-terminating. So this is the way to find out which one is the non-terminating and which one is the terminating. You just remember only these 3 things. Okay. If one of them is there, then we will call that terminating decimal. If not there, from there, and we will not tell non-terminating decimal. Okay. And after that, one more thing is there. First, you just make in the simplest form. कई बार क्या होता है simplest form में change करने के बाद भी ऐसा solution आ जाता है. तो इस टाइप से भी रहेगा आपको terminating और non-terminating बताने का. If you have doubts, then you can ask. First, take the screenshot. Okay, students, I hope you understood the first question. So now we are in our second question. In the second question, I told that there are two types. First, just identify only. In the second term, we have to just make sure that after how many place it will terminate. कितने place बाद terminate होगा, but without actual divide. बगैर divide दिए ये बताना है अब कि कितने place बाद terminate होगा. So I told you about these three terms: 2 power m. After 5 power n, then 2 power m into 5 power n. From this, if any term is there, then we will tell that this is terminating. अब आपको ये बताना है कि कितने प्लेस बाद आफ्टर विदाउट डिवाइडिंग कितने प्लेस बाद टर्मिनेट होगा. सो फॉर दिस वी जस्ट सी द मैक्सिमम पावर. If the maximum power you just see, then you can say that is after that power it is terminate. The maximum power जितने भी हैं उसके प्लेस के बाद में क्या हो जाएगा टर्मिनेट. तो इसके लिए 13 बाय अभी हम आपके सामने करते इसके 3 1 2 5 की तो आया था 5 पावर 5. ओके, द पावर इज मैक्सिमम पावर इज 5. सो आफ्टर 5 पावर आफ्टर 5 प्लेस इट विल डेसिमल, इट विल terminate. After 5 power it will terminating. 5 के बाद 5 प्लेस के बाद में क्या होगा, ये terminating. Okay, this is for this 17 by 8. 8 means 2 power 3. Okay, 2 power, the maximum power is 3. So it will tell after 3 place it will terminate. Okay, after that 64 by 455. As you know that factor of 455 is 5 times first, then 9 after that 7 times, then 13 and 13 1. So 64 by 5 7 and 13. So as you know that 7 and 13 extra is there. So this is non-terminating, so we can't change. ये तो non-terminating है, तो non-terminating को तो change कर ही नहीं सकते. डेसिमल इज ऑलरेडी नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग. सो वो कैसे बताएंगे कितने प्लेस बाद टर्मिनेट है. नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग है तो वो गई. आफ्टर यहाँ पे 35 फर्स्ट इट इज रिड्यूस इन द सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म 7 टाइम एंड 10 टाइम. 7 फैक्टर ऑफ 10 इज 2 and 5. 5 power also 1 and 2 power is also 1. So maximum power is 1. So we can say that 1 after 1 place it will terminate. After 1 place it will terminate. Okay, the next one is just reduce in the simplest form. Then 7 11 by 30. Just make it the factor of 30. Then 2 into 3 into 5. I told you that 3 is extra, it means non-terminating. तो जो non-terminating है वो तो terminate होगा ही. So here I solve only 5 or 6 question. The remaining you have to solve like this only. Okay, केवल आपको ये बताना है कितने प्लेस बाद वो terminate होगा. तो कैसे बताएंगे, मैक्सिमम पावर को देखकर. व्हाटएवर मैक्सिमम पावर इज देयर इफ नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग तो वो टर्मिनेटिंग होगा। अगर कोई डेसिमल डायरेक्टली नॉन टर्मिनेट है तो वो टर्मिनेट होगा ही नहीं, और अगर टर्मिनेटिंग है तो वो कितने प्लेस बाद होगा, बाय सीइंग द मैक्सिमम पावर ऑफ डेसिमल वी कैन से दैट after this much place it will be terminate. Okay, one more last question is remaining, so take the screenshot. Okay students, so in the last question you just identify the three number is given, you just identify which one is rational and which one is irrational. So this is the question based on the 9th class. Okay, so as you know that in the 9th class you just remember one thing, if with any number we can write in the form of p by q, it's called rational number. So कैसे बताते हैं देखकर बता देंगे। फर्स्ट वन कौन सा डेसिमल है, फर्स्ट देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ डेसिमल, टर्मिनेटिंग एंड नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग। तो फर्स्ट वन ये कौन सा है आपका टर्मिनेटिंग। तो टर्मिनेटिंग है तो इसको हम p by q फॉर्म में डायरेक्टली लिख कर सकते हैं। कैसे करते हैं, कितने नंबर्स तक जीरो को कर देते हैं, 4 3 1 2 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. After that 1 2 3 4 9 numbers are there, 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So it means we can write in the form of p by q. So it is rational number. ये क्या होगा आपका rational number। ऐसा आपको डायरेक्टली बताना है based on 9th class as you know। This is non terminating, चल रहा है वहां से नहीं आ रहा है। So this is non terminating। non terminating और non terminating में there are two types, non terminating repeating and non terminating non repeating। So ये आपका है non terminating non repeating। Okay, non terminating non repeating, ये कौन सा है, non terminating या recurring non recurring। Okay, तो ये आपका रेशनल नंबर नहीं है, नो नॉट रेशनल नंबर, ये आपका रेशनल नंबर नहीं है। Okay, this is also just remember this line is called bar। ओके, मतलब ये 9 के बाद में वापस 1 2 3 4 5 लाइक दिस आएगा, 43 पर 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9, ये इस टाइप से रहेगा। तो दिस इज कॉल्ड नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग रिपीटिंग, नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग रिपीटिंग। तो जो नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग रिपीटिंग है वी कैन राइट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ p by q, इसको p by q फॉर्म में मेंशन कर सकते हैं। अब कैसे करते हैं, एज यू नो दैट 9th class में 0.7 बार कैसे करते हैं, 0.777, इसको x मान लेते हैं, आफ्टर टू मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10। सो लाइक दिस यू कैन डू इट। सो दिस इज आल्सो अ रेशनल नंबर, ये भी क्या है, रेशनल नंबर होगा। एक्चुअली ये रेशनल नंबर नहीं है बट इसको p by q फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं। सो दिस इज अ रेशनल नंबर। सो यू जस्ट आइडेंटिफाई ओनली व्हिच वन इज रेशनल एंड व्हिच वन इज irrational। So first one we can write in the form of p by q easily, it is irrational। The second one, this is non terminating non repeating, so we can't change in the form of p by q, it means it is not a rational number। And the last one, non terminating repeating, so we can change in the p by q form by multiplying 100 or 10 or 1000 like this। So this is also a rational number। I hope in the today's class whatever I taught you understood all of these things। So now your exercise 1.4 is completed। If you are having any doubt then you can ask, but I hope in today's class you understood all of these things। Okay, thank you। If you are having doubts then you can ask। Thank you।